Hi, Patrick here with Federal Signal on today's tutorial on how to program your 4, 6, and 9 button Convergence controllers. The controller comes with a preset configuration right out of the box. Should you need to make changes to your buttons or slide switch settings, our FSDirect Convergence software can be downloaded from our website. To begin programming, plug your USB to mini USB cable into your controller. When launching the configuration software, you will be prompted to select between the Convergence or FSDirect software. The first screen you will see asks you which device you will be programming: OBD Mod 16, Standalone Light Bar Controller, or Serial Interface Module. Select Standalone Light Bar Controller, then click Next. The next screen asks you to select which keypad you are programming: 4-button, 6-button, or 9-button. Since we have a 6-button controller plugged in, I will select 6-button, then click Next. After selecting your keypad, then select which device or devices this controller will control. In this case, I will select FSJoin Light Bar, select my appropriate light bar, then click Next. The next screen is for auxiliary lighting devices. If applicable, select your devices and click Next. The next screen will prompt you to select any other additional auxiliary devices. Since we are just programming our 6-button controller, we will click Continue and not select any additional devices. This is the keypad edit screen. Here the keypad can be changed, ignition can be toggled, and the backlighting colors can be changed. This is our light bar edit screen. When connected to a light bar, click on Detect LED Configuration to automatically populate the heads with the correct LED color configuration for the light bar. If you are not connected to a light bar, you can manually select its LED color configuration. Note that with bedlight and auto dim sensor need to be selected even with the auto detect feature. After clicking Continue, the keypad and the light bar can now begin programming. If you need to return to the previous page, you would do so by clicking the Edit Hardware button. If you need to add any additional devices, you can do so by clicking Add Device. Choose the keypad button or slide switch to be programmed. To the right of the screen is the Properties and Dependencies tab. Click the gear icon to open the menu. Here, the button can be named, the button type can be changed to push on/off, step, momentary, multi-tap functions, and long press. Beeps, timers, and button color can also be changed here. Button dependencies can be set and different rules can also be implemented. Once the keypad button to be programmed has been selected, select the heads of the bar to be programmed. Individually select each head or drag and drop over which positions you want to change. Once the individual head or heads to be programmed have been selected, simple patterns can be made. Or pre-built patterns can be chosen from a catalog of popular options. The heads can also be set to steady burn or signal master patterns, as well as cutting heads off and setting individual intensity. Clicking Start Preview will allow you to view the current pattern settings. To program an FS-join light bar in a similar fashion to the non-FS-join bars, toggle the Legacy Mode slider to On. This brings up the Legacy Mode menu. No heads need to be selected. This simply ties a convergence command to a button. Once your controller is configured as intended, go to Device and Program Device in the top left corner. The bar will flash showing that the controller has been updated. For more content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.